Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your speaker Philips. And to perform a hard reset you should press and hold at this Bluetooth button until this LED light changes color to a green one and flash 3 times. So press and hold it. And firstly it disconnects from your phone, and then we should hear this sound, and there is free flashlight. So firstly we should remove it. Click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And after hard reset, this speaker enters to prank mode automatically. So just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!